we have just arrived in Madurai, and staying down the street from us is the first place we're going to check out. It's called Thirumalai Palace. Let's take a look right now. It had less curb appeal than some other palaces, and we got hit with the sales pitches and touts right away. But at 100 rupees per person and 50 more for the camera, I actually wasn't annoyed. I feel like those carvings are called the Hora, but I'm not sure, so everyone out there in internet land, don't get mad at me. Some really, really cool carvings and painting. Looks like it's being renovated. Once inside, it was definitively clear that this place was open, but under extensive restoration. This is the reason for some of the slightly odd angles and shots I took. I just wanted to show you the nice stuff. It's going to be amazing when it's restored, I'm pretty sure. It's not bad now, pretty nice. Quite a palace indeed. There was really awesome painting in progress, the standard halls and columns, but it was noisy. Sorry. Catching glimpses of what it would eventually look like once finished was interesting. These mandala-style decorations on the ceiling were already off to an awesome start. And this is where the royal puts themselves. And that royal bum belonged to King Thirumalai Nayak, who had the vision of creating a masterpiece for a royal stay. It was designed as a residence for the king by an Italian architect and built in 1635. Though not all of the original compound remains, the court and royal entertaining area was preserved as an attached museum, which is what we are about to see here. In this space, the king would entertain other royalty and dignitaries, post his wives on seats, alongside this generous area where he would watch dancers and actors, and where subsequent descendants were said to select new spouses at random. Typical women as property type old school monarchy shit, I guess. Like many palaces in India, the mastery of carving, decor, design, and just general opulence reigns. There was also a sculpture and artifact gallery that displayed many interesting items. Many were not displayed that well during the reno, but were interesting nonetheless. Most of these carvings have been from the 11th to 13th century. These ones we're seeing here are the 8th century. Seems like people from this time really had quite round and pronounced breasts. Interesting. Badonk. So these are the back streets of the center of Madurai in Tamil Nadu, called the cultural capital. Most famous thing here is the Meenakshi temple. Of course, I want to show you that. But I do find these cluttered, colorful streets really, really charming.
For reasons I'll detail shortly, I can't actually show you inside of the temple, putting a damper on my lofty video goals for this big attraction. Womp, womp. Lots of other great stuff to see, but not inside the temple this time. So let's go on a hyperspeed walk toward it and show you what you can see and experience from the outside.
Depictions of hundreds of gods and their avatars. This is the North Tower of Meenakshi Hanuman Temple, a famous spot in Madurai. Opens at 3:30 and it's about 1:30 now, so we're maybe gonna come back. Let's take a walk around it and see.
And we started getting hit with the touts and the would-be tour guides and teenagers selling stickers and all the other random stuff. It's usual, and it wasn't too heavy here.
Better to take a rooftop. Oh, is it? Okay. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Okay. Canada.
Nice place. This decoration nice.
Oh, thank you. You too. Very nice.
Oh, no, no money. Free.
No, it's okay.
Free.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
No money. Free.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Yeah, no shoes allowed.
Full pant.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah,
Yes,
oh, yeah.
yes. Coming back with pants. Yeah.
It's nice.
Sorry?
Dot.
Dot? Oh, thanks.
Many.
Yeah.
I don't like jewelry.
You from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. You?
Nice wearing.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, nice. Madurai, beautiful.
Today is open for the Golden Tower.
Yes. 3:30, right?
Inside the camera, mobile, charger, phone, batteries are not allowed.
Yes.
Laptops are also.
Yeah, we know.
Coming time you need the change.
Yeah, we were just being told that a bunch of times. Yeah. Thank
All
you so
people
much.
saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Coming tourists.
Yeah. We're not going in now. Yeah. Coming with pants.
You see the view?
Yeah, up top. Rooftop. Yeah,
See the
rooftop.
Golden Tower.
She was just telling us as well.
Yeah, yeah, from there.
We're walking
Yes,
around
yes,
and then
yeah.
coming back.
No, now it's good. Later is maybe it's a rain.
Yeah. Nice.
So today is a news for the rain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
No.
The real heaviness would come later when all these devotees in black garb stampeded the out of me as they tried to squeeze through a tiny entry portal into the temple.
And you're looking at the West Tower.
Managed incredibly poorly and honestly quite dangerously by an 80-year-old looking security guard.
Staggering amounts of art and sculpture here.
Who screamed fruitlessly at everyone and was backed by a single police officer. She had a bamboo stick, which seemed equally ineffective. Natalia had a separate entry for female-seeming people, which went well because women seem to be less Polish generally wherever we travel.
We're now looking at the South Tower. The South Tower. Like many temple places, the action intensifies right around it. Lots of stuff for sale, religious items like pictures, bracelets, jewelry, clothing, and here a lot of different brass stuff. People definitely grabbing and touting, but mostly still quite friendly. This is the religious center of Madurai. Madurai is the cultural center of Tamil Nadu, sort of like a capital, if you will, although Chennai itself is the capital. But they call this the religious and cultural capital of all of Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu is a huge state. And we're also headed to Chennai, the Sadhana Forest, and Puducherry, all also in Tamil Nadu. So really, really big area covering most of the south and heading well into the northeast as well. So here we are outside the Meenakshi temple. I'm showing you this because there's no photography of any sort allowed inside, which is too bad because there's an amazing hall called the Hall of 1,000 Arches. That is incredible, cut from all one rock. So hopefully there's some way I can cut in a picture or show you what that looks like. Or you can look it up if you like. But yeah, incredible temple, sights to be seen. So even though I can't show you, make sure you head on in there if you're in Madurai. Opens at about 3:30, 4 o'clock each day and goes until 8:30. Make sure you're wearing pants and ideally sleeves. Dress modestly. That's kind of the universal thing for every temple. But here especially, I'm wearing shorts today. And a couple of people already have been warning me that if I go in, I gotta be wearing something else. So I do know that, but yeah, there it is. And the East Tower.
After taking in the many amazing sights inside the temple that I highly recommend regardless of my previous griping, we needed snacks.
Just at our neighborhood snack walla here. And can you believe so many things here are vegan? Vegan. Those are banana chips. Tapioca chips. Vegan. Almost everything here, bhujia, crackers, etc. Vegan. Chicky laddu or ground nut laddu, vegan. Sesame laddu, vegan. Almost everything you see here, vegan. This is one of our favorites. Ground nut chicky, vegan. Most of these crackers here are vegan. All of those nuts.
Gram flour, oil.
Butter, not ghee. Also vegan. These are rice crackers. So loud. So many things we found here are vegan. A lot of the packaged stuff is not, but these local treats, if it's yellow, it usually has some butter or ghee inside. These, also vegan.
Rice flour, jangri, oil.
We had these before. They're kind of like tasty little donuts, fried, a little bit oily, a little bit sweet. Quite nice. Did you like those enough to get those again?
Sure, tomorrow for breakfast too.
Yeah, like train food. Add that to the pile. Did you want chicky again? Ground nut chicky, sesame chicky. Biscuits, probably no.
Sugar, உளுந்துக்கு என்ன சொல்றது? dal.
Dal,
Dal,
lentil flour,
dal, rice flour, oil.
oil, also vegan, or no butter, no milk. Awesome. Lots of those. And you had like suji laddu.
Suji laddu.
You had suji laddu.
Yes,
These were excellent.
the coconut.
It's cream of wheat, cardamom, sugar, oil. These are delicious.
The coconut burfi.
Coconut patty. Any butter? Ghee? Very delicious.
Coconut and jangri.
What's that?
Coconut and jangri.
Coconut and jaggery.
Jangri.
Yeah, so these are coconut and date sugar and a bit of oil. These are very tasty as well. They are pretty soft. Pretty nice. What do you want to narrow it down there, Natusi?
I got this.
Those three for sure. And do you want
Sure.
this?
Yeah.
We're taking a bunch of stuff, but remember, you can always get the peanuts, the bujia, the crackers. There's packaged goods. These bel laddu with the jaggery. This is just puffed rice, sugar, or puffed rice, jaggery, and a bit of oil. These are very delicious as well. They're crunchy, and the first one they taste like a little bit like not super interesting, but as you eat it more, it's very delicious. Most of these snacks are vegan. We also have those crackers over there, if you can see them in that box. They are quite delicious as well. Rice crackers, rice flour. So if you see a snack walla, there's tons of stuff in here for you. For these 5 things, that's 140?
140.
140. That is $2.50 Canadian, $2.50 Canadian.
Next up, we head about 7 kilometers out of the city to another holy spot where we hope to show you more food, history, and sights in this culturally rich but somewhat more chaotic area of India. For Vegan Everywhere, I'm David.